And so it begins. The 3-day backpacking extraordinaire. Lost in the woods, can't get out. We found all this gear, and we're gonna put it to use to see how long we can survive out here. We are about a mile in. Rocky is eating the snow.
Pappy gave up on that walking.
Pappy's in the back of the backpack. And we got a lot of hiking to do.
Can you check her?
She looks fine to me.
Oh, okay.
Let me see how tight she is.
What?
Bruh, this is something else. She shouldn't fall. Well, we made it, y'all. Some frozen lake. Sure is pretty, though. I think we're just gonna end up camping here for a couple nights. Pretty nice. Nice little setup. Dog likes it. Yeah. I'm gonna try to get a fire started. See how that goes. Yeah, we'll do a little time lapse. Probably take me like 3 hours. I'm gonna try to do it with the flint, with a spark. We'll see what happens. As you can see, my kindling is a mixture of dead grass, and we got some dead pine needles. Try to catch a spark in here. And yeah, we'll see what happens.
And Rocky found a piece of stick. Oh, he's loving it. Yeah. Not so much Pappy.
Oh my god, look. I got it.
I knew you could do it.
Fire's so easy, guys.
Yep.
You literally just start it like that.
Uh-huh. There's a little bit of fire starter over there.
Made it pretty easy. Didn't really have any problems. Just a couple sparks. Just like that. Now we have warmth. Get out of my shoe. I will come back with some logs. This one right here, actually. Oh, let's go.
Good log.
Let's go.
Bad log.
So I was scouting earlier, and I found a lot of tree bark. So we're gonna go try to get as much as we can, because I don't like cutting down these alive trees. We have a campfire with a rock circle. Boiling some water, some fresh snow. Good as it gets.
Hey, how come we didn't use the water from the lake?
Good. I just kind of wanted to boil snow, honestly. I just want to see how long it takes. It takes a long time. I'll let y'all know. It takes a while. Especially when Rocky knocks it over like 3 times. They need some of these biscuits and sausage. I didn't even know there was sausage in this. That's good, this gas.
I hope it's good.
Oh no, Rocky's on fire.
Stop!
Alrighty, y'all. We got the fire started. It was a pain. I learned a very important lesson. When the ground's wet, the fire will not start. So basically what happens is this permafrost under the earth here. So when we sparked the fire yesterday, it was pretty dry, but the heat from the fire caused all of the permafrost to melt. And then the fire, I was trying to keep some coals alive last night, but the fire ended up going out because of all the... Okay, just learned another valuable lesson. Warm up the batteries before you turn on the GoPro. even if they're in your sleeping bag. Anyways, yeah, fire went out. So it was hard to get it started this morning, but we got it. We got it. Making some coffee. The sun's finally coming out. Ice is getting thinner every day. Rocky fell through a couple more times. Ain't that right? He looks down. Yeah, he knows. Dumb goof. But yeah, I don't know what we're doing today really. Probably like go ski down that mountain or some shit.
With what skis?
Yeah, we can make skis. There's a bunch of tree bark. Let's go see how thick the ice is, Rocky. You test for me, okay? Let's see. Oh yeah. So I need to try to find a dry enough rock I can get hot and somehow carry it over there to drop in the ice. Easier said than done. But hey, let's figure it out. This is the coffee. See what it looks like.
Well, I put my oat milk, oat water.
Milk up in here. This is instant coffee. You just mixing it. It's good, man. I'm hyped. I'm ready to go fish. So we get the stick. We get the rock. Go like this. Have to move them a little closer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like that. Pull it back. Let's go. Do like that.
What?
Real quick. Get that out of there. Nice. Here, let's try to. Oh!
Don't touch it.
The thing's hot. Right, there we go.
That's good.
Yeah, let's drop it like that.
Shit.
Slowly. You can see how many rocks we've done. You can probably reuse one of these though now. Nah, dude, this is thick, bro. Like a foot. I mean, it's already like a foot. That's 6 inches, maybe 7.
That's what she said.
Alrighty, the batteries keep cutting out. Fire's still going. I actually had to help someone. I had to help someone find their way back to the trail. He was pretty scared. He's like, man, it's getting late. The storm's coming. It's snowing. He's like, bro, I gotta get out of here, man. And he went, told him the direction. Comes back 30 minutes later, and he's like, dude, I don't know where I am. I was like, bro, I'll walk you. We got him out. I'm finna purify some of this water. I mean, I got it from the lake. It's honestly probably fine. It was just frozen, but we got the tablets, so right? I kind of want to see if they make the water taste funky, so we're gonna do it anyways. Yeah, I got let's see. These are water purification germicidal tablets, and then this one is supposed to get rid of the taste. Water purification, neutralizing, so it neutralizes the taste. I've put about 2 more rocks in that. It is still not gone, and I have another one in here, and I will keep going until that either goes or I run out of rocks or run out of firewood. I don't know which one will be first. So you do the germicidal tablets first. It's 1 tablet per liter. Then you wait 30 minutes, and then you do the neutralizing ones. I got about 2 liters in here probably, so I'm gonna just do 2 of these. I have it next to the water, next to the fire, because it was really cold, and it's gonna freeze tonight, so. All right, this is the last shot at the rock. This thing's falling apart too, so. Okay. And that's. I think we made that in right. I think it's gonna go all the way down. Nope. But I can say I tried. Ain't that right, Rocky? It looks good. It had like this weird yellowish color to it, but it all kind of went away. The wind's picking up. All right, let's see. Yeah, it tastes really good. Tastes perfectly fine. Yeah, try it. Tastes like Aquafina.
Oh, actually.
Yeah, it tastes good. All right. Well, we're just gonna chill. This fire going. Yeah. Storm out the night. Hope it doesn't get too bad. It's like 20 degrees outside or something. We're finna pack up. Rocky's passed out.
Again.
Happy's sleeping in the corner and freezing our ass off. Look at all the damn snow, bruh. Rocky likes the snow, that's for sure. It looks like my bag may have actually stayed pretty dry on the inside. Yeah, it looks like at least right here, I'd say 4 to 6 inches of snow. Ready to get the fuck out of here. So I'm not gonna do too much recording. I'm just gonna pack up. Leave. It is still windy and cold. Cheers.